He barely knows the language. Very, very careful. Now, if you are looking for a negative word over here, it is not visible, but barely is considered negative. So he does not know the language. That is what you will read it as. Does he? Hello all, welcome back. Today we are going to do part 2 of question tags. Let us see what we have here today. Okay, in the previous class we had done that if the statement was positive, then the question tag would be negative followed by a question mark. For example, you are happy, comma, aren't you is the negative question tag followed by a question mark. We have done a lot of examples in that video, so those who have not watched it, kindly watch that and then come to this. If it is a negative statement, then the question tag will be just the opposite, which is positive. These are the negative statements which I'm talking about. So he is not tired, comma, is he? So here this is positive, this is negative. Sentence is positive and question tag is negative. This is just the reverse. So let us see today what we have. Now I want to know these words like hardly, rarely, seldom, scarcely, and barely. These are the words, guys. If you come across these words in question tags, you have to consider them negative. Now they don't look negative, right? The negative words are no, not, never, and the contraction of not, like N apostrophe T. But if these appear, you have to read it as a negative one and write the positive question tag. Okay, what are the meaning of these sentences? Hardly means I hardly go to my friend's house, means I go there very occasionally, not very often. Rarely is the same thing. I seldom go to visit my aunt, means I go there like, just once in a while, not very often. So that is the meaning of all these words, but we have to consider them as negative only when we are doing question tag. Okay, look at this one. She hardly attends the French class. So firstly, you have to make a list of these words, guys. It's very important. Hardly, rarely, barely, just the one which I showed you in the previous slide. If you remember these words, you instead of saying hardly, you just say, okay, she does not attend the French class. Okay. So she hardly attends the French class. Does she? So here what it will look like, the sentence is also positive and the question tag is also positive. This is going to be the thing here. They rarely visit their grandparents. Now, instead of rarely, we will say they don't visit. Do they? So now this looks like positive. This is also a positive question tag. He barely knows you. Does he? We seldom go to the village. So instead of saying seldom, we'll say we don't go to the village. Do we? Understanding, guys? Scarcely anyone attended the meeting. Nobody attended the meeting. Did they? For anyone, you have to use the pronoun they. Come on, I want you to try these. These are a mix of what we did in the last video and today. Let me see if you get it right. Pause the video, just try to write down the answers and we can match it. Okay, I'm putting up the answers, guys. He has, this is the normal one. He has finished writing, positive. So my question tag will be negative. He has finished. Hasn't he? He did not attend the sports day. Negative one because there's the word not. Did he? He barely knows the language. Very, very careful. Now, if you are looking for a negative word over here, it is not visible, but barely is considered negative. So he does not know the language. That is what you will read it as. Does he? They seldom attend late night parties. Seldom, negative. So instead of seldom, they don't attend. Do they? He can ride. Okay, this is a normal one. Can't he? This is all that we have in today's video. Kindly subscribe to the channel to support it. I will come back with more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.